What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mom. Today we're going to be changing the struts for the rear hatch on an 05 Suburban. This will also work on the Tahoe and the GMC Yukon, 2000 to 2006. So what we're going to need to get this done is a flathead screwdriver. We have our new shocks here, and then we also need to hold this hatch up while we change it. If you have two people, that's probably the best and easiest way. One person can simply just hold it up while you do it. I'm doing it by myself today, so what I'm going to use is a broom. And just put in here like this. You definitely want to make sure you have someone or something holding this up, because when you disconnect the struts, the hatch is pretty heavy and it'll come down. So once we're set up like this, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing we need to do is undo the clips that are holding the strut on. There's two of them, one on top and bottom. So this first one, pry it like that. And then we'll go over here to the top one and do the same thing. Pry it out like that. And then once we're to that point, we can go ahead and pull it off, and it'll just come off of there like that. You didn't really see the top, but it just pulled off the same. Okay, so now we're ready to put the new struts on. And these will just pop on. I find it easier to do the bottom first. You can just kind of hit it on. You'll hear it clip on. And then do the top. And you may have to manipulate the hatch a little bit to make it line up. And that's it. Pretty simple. I'm not going to show you the other side because it's the exact same thing. But if you do have any questions, let me know. If you could take a second to like the video and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.